Good day everybody, this is Nelca Roco again, and as I am working for a rugby field for Becca Schroeder, because I mentioned before that I'm working or connected with Becca Schroeder now. So this is now my fear in sports lighting using Dialux 4.13. Okay, so I got the comment from the client and they asked me how to identify those floodlights, what is the optic and the wattage, because yes, Dialux 4.13 is very limited in terms of identifying the floodlight used in this sports lighting. Okay, so now I'm going to compare this Dialux into AGI 32, because in AGI 32 you can easily colored or put a color on the floodlights on a different floodlights. Say for example here I have a legend here. I used AGI 32 in this project. And say for example, I used a purple, blue, and dark blue for a different floodlights. It's the same 2 kilowatt, but the optic is different. So I put a color on this one. And you can easily identify and see it here in the calculation, in an automatic calculation, compared to Dialux 4.13, which of course you cannot see it unless you click on the floodlight and see and look at here on this thumb here. So for example, this is a wide beam and this is a narrow beam. From there you can only see it, and also in a report it will not show you the optics. See, the client is commenting, where is this pole, what is this wattage and everything. Okay, so I hope that the Dialux Evo version, the new one, will have this kind of option where they can put a color on the sports lighting, because it's really important. So what I did with this project, because I cannot show it on the report, the color, so what I did is I exported the CAD file and then just edit the CAD file into something like this. So I put a legend here at the bottom. See, this is blue and red. And from here, I put a color also and add it in the layer. So the red one is the wide beam, the narrow beam, and the blue one is the wide beam. Okay, so this is the dilemma in using Dialux 4.13. It's really hard to identify which floodlight. This is the same scenario and same problem I encountered with my golf course projects. Because for the golf course, there are lots of floodlights. And if you can, and the installer will ask you which one is which. So when they install the floodlight, in the actual situation, they don't know which one is the narrow beam and which one is the wide beam based on those arrows. So what I did is I also put a color on each arrows saying this arrow, the blue one is wide and the red one is the narrow one. Okay, so for the dial team, again, may I request on the next version of Dialux Evo Sports Lighting, please, can you please add these colors on every arrow so that it's very easy for the installers and the lighting designers to identify which one is the wattage and the beam optics for every floodlights in the sports lighting. Okay, so that's it for now, and thank you. See you again on the next video, and if you have questions, just let me know. Comment on the comment tab, and of course don't forget to subscribe and enroll in my Udemy courses. All right, see you again on the next video. Bye.